there any questions that you had in your mind that you would like to ask me while I'm here? Anything?
Well, it would be rather personal on your part. How long has it been since you had yours?
It's been 6 years, and I have to do this one thing. Just to reassure you that you honestly can't tell, do this with your hands. Make a fist out of them. And let me do this. And can you give me your arms? I need them to come over to me like this. Can you tell which one is real and which isn't? No. Well, you really can't. And no one will know with you either.
How did you fight your psychological end of it?
Oh, everyone's entitled to a good cry, I think, and I think it's best we all have one bad day and have it and get it over with. And I think then if you can just take it one day at a time, don't worry about next week or anything like that. And I think, you know, if your husband supports you in this,
He's been just great.
Well, most of
Peggy Nichols had a mastectomy here in Broward General Medical Center only 4 days ago. She's recovering well, and she'll be back home tomorrow. But she appreciates the visit from Reach to Recovery volunteer Evelyn Kerner. Evelyn teaches Peggy some exercises she can do to build up her physical strength, and she also provides Peggy with needed moral support.
I don't think there could be a woman tonight watching our show on breast cancer who isn't thinking to herself, my God, what would I do if it happened to me? You just don't know how you would react if it happened. And we do have a guest here tonight with us who is able to tell us how a woman might react. Her name is Shirley Payne. She's 38 and lives in Fort Lauderdale and had a mastectomy about 1.5 years ago.
So from broadcasting to art, this is just fantastic. I mean, mosaics are really making a comeback anyway as far as just fashion and vogue, but that's not really why you did it. What first inspired you to do mosaics?
I was really doing it. I was really painting as a way of managing stress when I had cancer, and I just became addicted. It became a passion, and the most amazing part of the passion was not the painting, but it was the breaking up and putting it back together. It was sort of like putting my life back together.
And that's what I read about this really great article about you.